That's how I used to be, being tossed by wind and sea, and with no course for me, and with no hope before me, nothing but the sea. Then Jesus came and he set a course for me. As I sail across this sea to the home that waits for me, I'll not fear what lies